Hello there. Today I'm Miss Weatherly's son and I'm gonna be making Ooblek with her, which is a science experiment of cornstarch and water.
So Truman is my assistant, and we're going, like he said, we're going to make Ooblek. Now the cool thing about Ooblek is that it acts as a solid and a liquid without the temperature changing at all. So a solid is an object that when you touch it or manipulate it at all, it doesn't change its shape. A liquid takes on the shape of the container that it's in. So if the water is a liquid, if I pour it out, look at that, it's changing its shape. But this block, when I move it around in my hand, it doesn't change its shape at all. If I put it in the cup, it doesn't change its shape at all. It's a solid. So let's get started making Ooblek, which is really, really fun. You only need 2 ingredients: cornstarch and water. Cornstarch is really inexpensive. We just got some in our order pickup at Walmart. Curbside, 97 cents a can. So you'll need a bowl and a measuring cup ready to make your Ooblek.
So this is 2 cups of cornstarch. So you pour the 2 cups of cornstarch into the bowl, and then this is 1 cup of water. So then you pour the 1 cup of water into the bowl, and then you start mixing it around with, I guess, your hands.
Now you can use a spoon if you want to as well, but you don't need to use a spoon. It's actually more fun to use your hands and just get really ooey, ooey, gooey. Oh, Truman, doesn't it feel funny?
Yeah, it does. It's weird.
Now, if you think that you need more water or more cornstarch, you can kind of play around with it.
I think we need more water here.
Truman thinks we need some more water, so...
Where's that glass that you had earlier?
He's going to look for some more water. But I'm going to start to show you what's happening with our Ooblek. The reason that it's a solid and a liquid is because when I put it in my hands like this and squeeze it really, really, really tight, it becomes a solid. See, I squeezed it into a ball. If I leave it in my hands like this, look at that, it's becoming a liquid. See how it's dripping from my fingers? So it went from solid to liquid without changing the temperature at all. See, it's becoming a liquid. Ooblek is super fun. It's definitely messy, so it's something you're going to want to do with your adult in a spot that they say it's okay to do it in, a spot that's easy to clean up. So I hope that you enjoyed our science lesson about making Ooblek. And maybe you'll get a chance to make some at home. And you can store it, when you're done playing with it, you can store it in a Tupperware or a Ziploc plastic bag, and it will stay good for a while. So I hope everyone's doing well. And thanks for being with us today.
Ooblek.